broken people around the world can't feel anymore. We don't want to know when it rains till it pours. Always alone, not a ring on the phone. The mind of the weary, every day is a war. Thinking about life as we're laying in bed. Can't see the future, it's making us scared. Hop on the gram, we start to compare. Wish to be somebody else instead. Oh, trapped in a daze, time in a blur, stuck in the same place. Where you're giving your best and you're risking it all. Still not enough, always give without take. So what's it gonna be? Can't take anymore now, I'd rather be free. Just like you, there's millions of us going through it all, looking around for the clutch, but yeah, we'll be alright. Dark night, starlights, firefly shine. Paradigm shifting, world is changing. Buckle in for the ride of your life. Yeah, we'll be alright. Dark night, starlights, firefly shine. Paradigm shifting, world is changing. Buckle in for the ride of your life. Cause when all is said and done, we'll rise up with the sun, setting the world on fire. Yeah, we'll fly higher than the sky. Loved ones gone, can't deal with a loss. Blaming yourself, bunch of things without cause. Never seen a day you've woken up on top. Cause I got a lucky charm has features that you're not. Damn, who can relate? L after L, not a magazine page. World class teller with stacked resumes. Meanwhile,